How to fix TikTok sound removed or muted. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok sound removed or muted. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta click on these three horizontal lines and then you gotta click on settings and privacy. Once you're here, you gotta click on account. And here, if your account is private, you gotta switch it to business account. You gotta click on switch to business account. Click on next. Click on next again, next, and here you get to select the category. So I'm going to choose something like, let's say media and entertainment. Click on next. And now it says you're all set. So you can simply click on visit business suite. Next, what you got to do is simply click on this plus icon and you got to upload the video. So I have selected this video. What you got to do is you got to click on add sound at the top. So simply click on add sound. And you gotta simply select any sound, doesn't matter which one, simply select any of the sound. Let's say I've selected this. And once you do so, you gotta click on this arrow over here and you gotta simply scroll down till you find the volume button. So scroll down and here is the volume button. You gotta make the original sound a bit more and make the edit sound just minimum. Click on next and then you gotta simply post it. Click on post video and just wait for the video to get posted. Once done, you'll see that the voice or the music will be there and the voice would not be removed. So that's the end of today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.